Hello everyone, hi, this is Amit Sharma and welcome back to my channel Web for Click. Now I am starting After Effects video editing tutorial for you. So join me and improve your knowledge. So without wasting the time, let's start.
For new composition, hit Ctrl N. So have a look on important things. Width is 1920, height is 18. This is okay, we can edit it. So I'm not going to touch it. This is standard size of video. This is our frame rate. If you have good strength of your computer, then you can increase it. Half and full, half is okay now. And this is our time duration. How long is our composition? So this is milliseconds, seconds, minute, and this is hours. 3 minutes is okay, and the color is white is okay. This is our new composition has been generated. This is our project section, and whatever file I'm going to use will show over here. So let's have a footage. If you lost something, suppose sometime you're doing work and during the work if you lost the panels, in that case just go to the Windows workspace and hit reset essentials and all things come back. If I choose the composition, that show the properties, and this one show its properties along with its thumbnail, and this is our timeline where we'll edit anything. So let's drag and drop this footage over here. You can see the timeline is very long. First I want to make changes composition again, so hit Ctrl K and change the time size 1. Now timeline has been shorted now. So first change the size, hit S and scale it. So there are lots of properties available over here. Hit over here, you can see all the properties. Opacity, if you want to do changes in opacity, just drag and drop it. Rotation, if you click on rotation and drag and it will rotate. So I want it in original, hit 0 and OK. Scale already I have told you. Position is left, and if I drag it, it will move up and down. Anchor point, the anchor point is this, that is middle of this. Sometime anchor point disbalance, I can click on it, hold Ctrl, and the anchor point will come at the point. Sometime anchor point is here, and if I do the rotation, then it will rotate around the anchor point. So this is very necessary. Anchor point should be on right position. So hold the Ctrl and click it to come at the center. So rotate 0 and right position. If I want to fit inside from top to bottom, use alignment, horizontally centered, and this is vertically centered. Now the video on its good position. I will explain the animations for it in my next videos. Come on the main point. So divide this video by Ctrl Shift D. Now two portion has been divided, and if you want to recover this video, you can drag it over here and the video is recover itself again along this part. So I don't want it, Ctrl Z to undo. By hit the space, I can stop my indicator, and by hit the space bar again, I can play this video. I want video in slow motion. Right click on it, go to the time, hit on time stretch and increase it for slow I hit it in 500 and you can see the video size has been stretched. Now again if I play it, you can see it become very slow. Now I want to make this video in reverse mode. This is jumping over here, but I want to reverse it. In that case, just select the layer and hit Ctrl Alt R. And here we go. Above video has been reversed. Now play with second part. So I want to make it very fast. Go to the right click it, time and time stretch. Now this time minimize it and you can see the video has been shrink. And now if I play it, it will go very fast. Here we go. If you want only video footage, do not want sound, then you can remove the sound from over here. And if you want only sound, then you can remove footage appearing over here. I show you with this footage, and if I click on I, this is not appearing now. So if my video is this side, I can touch this by left bracket, and video is this side and I can touch with the right bracket. And if I want to move this indicator, hit I to start position for the layer and hit O to end position of the layer. I want to join this, so I hit O to come the indicator back, select this layer and hit left bracket to join it. In my next video, I told you the text animations in After Effects.
And subscribe the channel if you want more knowledgeful content.